bird poking. Part 1. Okay.
This is the bird. I can't see it.
You're gonna push it
Yeah,
right
I'm
down
gonna throw your
towards.
keys in the
Will you hold
water.
the dog? Hold the dog.
Throw your keys in the water.
Don't dare. Hold the dog. I thought you really were going to.
Okay.
I want to make it mine. Sally, hold the dog.
No, she's going to get
I'm making a man.
Hold that. Hold, 2
Yeah,
seconds.
yeah.
Okay, look. Dead bird. Part 2.
Okay. Dead bird part 2. I should be worried that this is moving already. Ew, ew.
Oh my
Like
God.
the wings are not even connected. Oh, that's disgusting.
Is there even a head?
I don't know. Ew.
Ah!
Okay, the fish.
Fish. Dead animal poking. Part 3.
What's a big fish?
That'll be a
Fish.
What is it? No. I
It's
think,
flat. Oh, it's going away. No, keep getting out of the water.
no.
Oh, yes, if you can pull it out of the water.
I think it's a what is
Dead fish.
We could, we could go fishing. We could tie like a plastic bag to the stick and hook it up.
Dead fishing.
I don't think it's a roach or a word.
We don't care. It's good for it.
I think poke his eyes out, you know.
Oh, can I do it? Can I do it?
Just in a stick.
Can I do it? Give me the stick. I
We're
want
not
to
gonna
poke
do this,
his eyes
we'll
out.
pull it out.
Oh, it's carp. That's carp, that is.
Can we not get it out?
It's a really baby carp.
Make sure Harvey doesn't eat it.
Heavy.
Pull it out. Whoa.
Oh, I'm soft.
I'm quite worried that this
Pass
thing
the stick.
is already moving and doesn't have a head.
Pass the stick.
Oh God, look, he's got bugs. I want to hit the fish.
Sally, hold the dog. Hold Harvey. Jay, pass the stick. I'm gonna pull it out.
Oh God, I want to get its eye out.
Leave it in the water.
So floppy.
Leave it to rot. Ew. Oh, you just nearly squished it out there.
Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, fish!
Don't let the dog eat it.
I can't have you away. It smells.
Obviously, it's fish. Oh, that smells so bad.
They're not telling you to leave it in the water.
Ew!
No.
Oh, its scale came off.
Just throw it back.
Yeah, put it. Let it sail. Sail away to the
I'm
top.
making
Okay.
sushi.
Oh.
I'm not eating it. I don't eat fish. Can we bury it now? It's starting to smell. No, go away. Go away.